There we go.
Where's the parachute?
I got the parachute. Good one.
Alright, what's next?
You're Lizzie.
That's my mom.
I got a parachute! Mommy, I got a parachute before! You catch it, can I have it? No, once we catch one, we have to get out.
Okay, let's see what's next.
How many?
I don't know, I'm just bored.
How many parachute men? I'm gonna do this. Is that a parachute man? Yeah, the parachute man. And if you get one, you have to sit out because you already got one, right?
Should bro,
Yeah.
the lighters I got from my dad, the little wand one.
Yeah. No matter if you find them, you got to give them to make sure everybody gets one anyway.
Yeah.
That's what they did last night.
I got one.
Don't know where that went.
It's right there. I see it.
Right there, right there. This one blew apart. Coming down. 3 of them.
That should be $1 prize for each kitty catch.
Okay, what's that?
This is just my favorite thing in the world.
Alright, you stand out now.
Hey,
I
Chloe.
told him if they help catch them, just make sure everybody's got one.
I always tried to fold it back up and throw it in the air.
I was here. I want to trade me. I got a bad one. I got a big one. Even broke it, so I'm gonna get it.
Let's do this.
Go help catch it, Ellen.
Go help.
Right there's two.
There's 2 of them right there.
Wait, help them catch one.
That's go that way. There's one. It blew up and it fell over.
We got more.
Get one out.
Who didn't get one?
Hey, Mandy.
Where's the other one at?
I got it.
What?
I'm gonna like hit it over.
Yeah.
Huh?
Okay, we're getting ready to light some more fireworks.
Stand back, guys.
The ones that got one, the ones that don't have one have a chance.
So yeah, I'm helping Ryan catch one.
Which way that's going? Stand
That's Thomas.
guys. Stand back.
There it is right there. I can see it.
Man. Fireworks.
Ethan?
One more.
Ethan got 2 of them.
Give one to somebody that ain't got one.
Just go with me.
Hold on. Okay. Ethan and Grace, come here. There you go, Alex. Find it.
Alex, can I catch one with you?
Right there.
There's 2 right there.
I'll help you.
Some more.
Here.
Bag in there.
No, we're doing film.
Got this one. Alex got one.
There you go.
We hold that.
Oh, excuse me.
Mommy, here's my parachute.
Put it somewhere.
They're not working because we had them last night. Got them brown.
We're
gonna find out. They act like they're supposed to be damn. I don't like it.
I don't like it.
Thank you.
Over here and stand now. I should have brought the damn vinegar. Hey, Ethan! Get over here.
Hey, Mommy, can I help him? Like, not like
Kaylin.
like Kaylin too?
No, stay away.
Come here, stay right here. Say hi, YouTube.
Hi, YouTube.
That's Kaylin.
I'm Kaylin. I'm scared of firecrackers.
Here we go.
Stay right here.
You stop it, Mom. You don't know what she's gonna do. You don't even know what she's gonna do. You're gonna keep it. George, don't stop. She knows she's already got
Stand
one.
right here.
No.
You're gonna stand right here.
I'm gonna stand up here with Heather. You can't hold me forever.
Oh, I can hold you forever, dude. Do you know who you're talking to?
Bow!
Get off!
Nope.
Get off!
Okay, we can walk in a minute. Let me get Ethan calmed down.
I'm
about to get lit on fire with that one. I can't do it.
What's up, Evan?
Heaven, move. Ethan, come here. Here. Ethan.
I'm on YouTube. Brad, point the camera over here at her.
Hold on a minute. Let me wait till the fireworks are done. Huh?
Can I do the camera?
You want to say hi?
No, I want to do the camera.
Okay, you gotta say hi first.
Hi.
Say hi, YouTube.
Hi, YouTube.
You want to do the camera?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, I'm going to do the camera after
Put your hand in here.
Then me too.
Okay, you ready? All right, catch them doing the fireworks.
Okay.
Say, that's to say ya.
Let's
That's to say ya. Hold on. Say ya. Say ya. Say hi, YouTube.
Hey,
I'll give you one.
Ethan.
All right, here they go.
Hi, YouTube.
Catch it in the camera.
Oh, that is my ear.
Looking the other way.
Hey, whatever you do, don't push that button, okay? That'll stop the video.
Hi. No, I don't understand.
Hi, CJ.
You're not gonna win.
Get off. Get
I
off.
gotta use CJ for my channel.
You're on
That's
YouTube.
Jessica.
And my mom is on YouTube now.
That's my buddy Jessica.
Whoa!
Oh,
Got it.
you got it? All right.
This is Ryan. Hi, YouTube. This is Heaven. Let me have the camera. This is Logan. Now this is Fireworks. Can I have the camera? No. It's first. I just gave her one. Help me up there and we both can look at this. Hold my hand. You want this? Fireworks up here. Oh, you can't have one of them. No, you can't have one. What? Catch him doing. Reese, can I do that? No. Can you hold me up there? If you want me to do that for one firework. No.
All right, get ready. She's gonna
I
fly
can't get
over.
up here. I want to see it.
Hey, you want me to help you get up there?
Yeah, okay, I'll give it back.
Here we go.
There's you guys. Yeah. Okay, I want it back. I want
There
it.
you go. She's gonna catch all the action for us. Be careful, don't fall off there, okay?
Tonight.
Hey, Kaylin, watch her. Make sure she don't fall, okay? Ryan, what's up, buddy?
Hi. Here they go.
My indoors right here.
Fireworks.
Oh, got it?
Yep.
All right.
Heaven to the planes.
Where's
no,
that?
them things. These are all the fireworks. No planes. No planes. Them things fly after you. Okay. No, it flies at you.
How do I do this thing? Does anybody know?
It's a plane.
Do I just throw it or what? It's a plane.
It flies at people. You nail it to a tree.
I don't want to get it.
You nail it to a tree.
You stole my spot.
It's my spot now.
No, you stole mine.
Mommy,
Who
no!
has a flashlight on their phone?
Watch out, watch out!
Well, then watch.
I don't like it.
There's what it does. Jessica, you gonna go with me on this one?
That's Nikki, that's Ethan. That's Warren. Here, figure this out. I don't know how to do it.
Here.
Reese, can I do one firework?
Get back!
Stand here, buddy. Your brother. Stand here and watch the fireworks.
Someone forgot one. That's mine. Did everyone got one? No, not me.
Alex. I mean, Warren. Warren, stand right here.
You can have it, Ethan. No, I don't want it. 2 fireworks on! What? He's so cute. I have one. Ken just farted.
Here's a fountain. This is a peach fountain, YouTube.
Watch out,
You know what that is? You know what that is?
Don't.
That's Jessica.
Oh, look at the popping fireworks.
This is
Subscribe this video.
This video is made of Reese Willow. Now just listen to me. Don't listen to.
My name is Caitlin Whittaker.
I don't know. I'm trying to get to the wick.
Go get over there and say, "My name's Kaden."
My name's Caitlin Whittaker, and subscribe this video.
Okay, watch out. Got it!
I don't like it.
I did. Plane, Mommy.
No. That's
Give me another one. I got it.
Heaven got it, okay?
Shine that light up in here, girl. Found it. Make it blow up. 'Cause I don't like it. Make it blow up. I don't like it. What the crap does that do?
Reese, film the fireworks.
That's what I do.
That's what it does.
Heaven, here's a plane.
Give me a plane.
I don't like planes.
No, we're not going to do a plane yet. I don't know how to do them things.
Them things that fly at you. Oh God, Mommy, don't! No! Mommy, you keep doing it wrong. Mommy, you keep doing the plane wrong.
These are Roman candles. You hold these. Oh, never mind.
Can I do one? Mommy, please, 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 please.
No, you're not holding them.
Why? I want to hold one.
These are Roman candles. You hold them.
Can I hold one? Can I hold one? Can I do
No, these are grown-up sparklers.
it? Okay. Wait, how do I have to be to play with the big guns?
You got to be 18.
Heaven, you did one of these Roman candles.
You getting it all, Reese?
Yeah.
All right, good job.
Roman candles are on action.
What the heck?
Still recording? Yeah, we got it, don't we?
Roman, hey, Reese, aim it at me real quick.
Huh? There we go.
But I got it.
Wait, my mom is doing. Wow, I love those.
There we go.
I cannot wait to play with the big guns. You can shoot them at people.
No, you can't.
Shoot them at me, Mama.
Right here.
That don't look that bad.
You know which way.
Logan, move, bud.
Mommy is. No. She's magic, magic, magic.
That would suck if that thing was
Look, 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 look. Magic, magic, magic. Magic, magic. He's magical.
What else is there in here?
We have more.
I got all of it.
Nice.
Tyler.
Man, you'll be a YouTube film producer one day, won't you?
You ain't 18 and you can play with the big guns.
That's why he's playing with them.
Well, I'm almost 13.
Yeah, so he's 17.
Them things don't look that harmless. Them things look harmless.
Do me a favor. On YouTube, say hi, CJ.
Why?
Just say hi, CJ.
Why?
Because that's my nickname.
Fair.
Just say hi, CJ.
That is not fair.
I have no idea what I'm doing here. You'll give me fireworks to light up. What? I'm coming.
God.
Mommy, can I please do one?
No!
You got one.
Got it, Reese?
What's wrong?
It's only got like 5 or 6
Oh,
shots
move
in
that
it.
stuff. Move that stuff. Move that stuff. I'm going to put the little tiny person.
No, she's gonna fall.
No, she's allowed. Here's some more fireworks.
Hi, CJ.
Hello.
Here's another firework.
Hold on. They didn't see me. Hold on. Hello. What up?
Mommy, plane.
The planes are down there. I just not dumping them. Move all this junk.
I got you flashlight. Oh, here, let me sit right there. I'm gonna sit right here.
Look at Will.
Mommy, look at Will. Mommy.
No. That's a good thing I did. I thought I was out. I was like, did you I'm about to look at
Here, I'll go with you.
Watch out, Heaven.
Wait, shine a light down here.
Got it?
Mommy,
you go.
here's one of them lamp things. That's the
Heaven's
one
on
I'm wanting
YouTube
to do.
now, officially.
What you do is you light it on fire and you just light it up in the air.
This don't go off till the end, does it, Heaven?
Oh,
This
Mommy,
lamp?
Mommy, all it does is it just goes up in there. It doesn't pop or anything. Here's the sparklers for all of us.
No, you put them in there.
What does these do?
No, I think this is your grand
Them are
finale right
bombs.
here.
Yeah, they're bombs.
I think that's the grand finale right there.
You throw them. Peacocks.
Yeah.
Attack fountain.
Can I catch some of it?
Oh God, she's throwing a bomb. Hey, wait, she's throwing a
Oh,
bomb.
watch out.
Shine the light down here.
Get high.
Here's another bomb. I love these things. They're like, Heaven, if are you, watch out, man. We're throwing bombs at you.
I got both of them.
Here's another bomb.
White.
Mommy, how old do I have to be able to light the small fireworks?
Hey, Reese.
Heaven. Mommy, how old do I have to be to light the small ones?
Still gotta be an adult.
Heaven.
I'll tell you what, they got any sparklers for you kids or something?
Oh,
They
Yeah,
do.
we got morning
See?
glory.
They're rainbows.
The best sparklers you can have.
Watch out, Heaven.
Gotta get this. Gotta get this.
I want to throw one.
Watch out, Heaven. You should put a bottle rocket out there. What do them do?
Brad, you want to help light
Here's some. What is this, YouTube? Tell me what it
I
is.
don't know.
Okay, y'all don't talk to me. Okay, fine. What else?
You're not doing them by
What does this
yourself.
do?
What is it?
I have no idea. All I know is I'm trying to make a good person for YouTube. Maybe I'll be famous one day.
Brad.
Found a baby.
Heaven.
Look, I found a baby. I found a baby firework.
Her name's Kaylin.
Kaylin. Heaven.
Kiss the baby firework, YouTube. Mwah.
Okay, let me talk.
Kaylin, you asked what it did.
What'd I do? Oh, it's adorable.
Watch out,
I
Heaven.
found a baby firework.
Watch out.
What are you doing? I found a baby firework. It's adorable. You gotta open the box. Here, I want to open
I'm gonna touch the
Friendship
YouTube.
box.
Oh. Hello. Hello, YouTube.
You want to light
You
fireworks,
guys,
Thomas?
woo YouTube because fireworks are on Brad's channel. 94.1 and me.
What?
This firework is dedicated to my buddy.
Fireworks
This friendship fountain that I'm getting at me, baby.
everywhere.
That's what we need, like 4 people go line up and lighting.
Friendship fountain.
Watch out, Heaven. Heaven, I can't get the spotlight.
Move, Kaylin.
I didn't do it. Ooh, that's pretty.
They're both pretty.
We need the big stuff.
Baby, a firework. You are
What's
firework.
that?
Let me do
Whistling Rain Travelers. Huh? Whistling Rain
Oh,
Travelers.
mommy. If this is some kind of thing, we should just light it. And
I want to go get some bottles.
No, give it here. Come here, Tyler.
I won.
I want to play with the big boy, big girl.
You want me to take you to your mommy?
I found another bomb.
Huh?
I got it.
You want me to take it?
Hey, YouTube.
I'm not getting you.
We're getting YouTube.
Hey, you made me miss that.
We're getting ready to light off a bomb.
Well,
So y'all watch
no,
out, girlies.
Here we go.
Boom!
Look, Tyler.
Yeah, go, girl.
Hold it.
Did the friendship fountain work? Did the friendship fountain work? She didn't do it yet.
Hold on, I'm about to do
I
it.
didn't tell you to say hi, Warren.
I got this.
I still wanted to, though.
Wait, I want to show you my friend. Let me tip him. This is my friend Bob. No, don't flick it. You turd. No, don't hit me.
I wanted to flick Bob.
This is a turd.
I gotta find a gigantic friendship fountain.
Don't pull on me. Yes.
Here we go.
Flammable.
I need a big friendship fountain. You're kidding me. Put the light down here.
Don't touch. Don't touch.
You don't touch.
Find me a gigantic friendship fountain. This is
Oh, get it.
Right there, lit.
Alex.
Hey, you want to let Ryan record a little bit?
No. Can we get some sprinklers?
Sparklers?
Sparklers! I'll wait. I'll get. Let me down, Brad.
Got you down? Okay, here we go.
They want to shoot out fire.
I want one.
You want one?
Yeah, I'm gonna record everybody.
We can't light each other's, Ryan. They have to light it.
I'm about to shoot you in the face. Okay, my name's Reese. That's Caleb. That's Evan. That's Ryan. That's TT. That's Tyler. That's me. That's me. Don't fling it around. Stay still. Have you traveled?
Hold on a minute. We're about to find out what it does.
I already know what it does.
No, that didn't even do anything.
It's a rainbow.
You gotta do it.
Relight it. Find it.
Come here, give me it.
Light it.
Relight it.
It don't do anything.
Yeah, it does.
It's a sparkler.
It's a morning glory.
Someone relight this. Relight this.
Hold on a minute.
It's a rainbow. Here, let me have one.
Hold on a minute.
Let's have one.
Hold on, we're listen. This is how this gun does. That's it. Hold on, I'm doing it.
Oh God, I don't like this. Don't wave that. That thing popped.
Supposed to wave it.
Gracie, point it at me.
Come on.
Shake that.
Come another
Get
one.
away from everybody.
Here.
Grace, you getting footage? Here, let me
I
see that.
want one.
Grace, let me see it. Can I
Hold on, come here, buddy. It ain't lit.
You can't light each other's line. This pops.
One sparkler tonight.
Hold on, I gotta get this started.
I want one.
They're on Jenny's
Take it away
car and
from me.
I
I
just
want
burnt myself.
God, you just not burnt me.
I just burnt myself.
Fireworks.
Race. Quit. There's one on the ground.
I know.
Quit, move. Back.
I got you.
Back.
Get me one.
She saw me going forward.
Got you. Whoa.
God, Alex, that thing popped. Reese, you getting me?
Yeah.
Reese. A.
Oh, do two at a time.
Y. L. Baby, you're fireworks. Reese Cup, you should let Brad film the. I found a gigantic firework. It's not lit.
It's a Roman candle. Give it here.
Can I please do one? I'm dying to do one.
Can I do a Roman candle?
I'm dying to do one. I can do it.
Hold it out.
Michelle, there's fire on the ground.
Watch out, y'all. I'm gonna be here. Watch out, y'all.
What?
And point it up. Out and up.
Gracie, watch out. I'm
going
this way with these things.
Now go that way. You can't be like Will. Hey, Will. She's trying to steal your Harry Potter thing. Your Harry Potter thing with the Roman candle. Shake it. Sparkler.
Can I try one? What is it?
Not a Roman candle.
Yeah, those are dangerous. Those could...
It doesn't work.
Don't point it at your face or nothing.
Never ever say a firework doesn't work. Never look at him and be like, are you ready yet?
Work.
That's rule number one. Never believe a firework isn't done. Always assume it's not.
You're gonna hit the light.
Shake it, Kaylin.
Boom. Shake it. You gotta shake Roman candles.
That's not a Roman candle.
Yeah, it is.
Whoa, I like this.
Say Roman candle.
I'm Harry Potter.
One of the bags.
They're not like this.
Just like it too.
This
That's
thing.
a Roman candle.
Is it it?
Shake it.
Kaylin, up in the air.
Hey, can you light these two?
It's out. How many was on this?
There's only
Can I have a sparkler?
I don't know where one is.
Ah.
I burnt myself. What is it? Excuse me.
That was fun.
You gotta make sure they're Roman candles because there's one that says don't hold.
I love this thing.
Next time you go down there,
Let's see if
One
the
shot.
first one comes out.
I love it. I love that. Oh, shoot!
We might have already threw them at heaven. Tyler, we might have already threw them at heaven. I've got two.
I love Roman candles. Can I have one? Mommy, thank you for letting me play with the big guns. I'm a ninja.
That way, Reese. You want me to film it?
Oh, can I film? Please, Reese?
Oh my God.
Reese, I'm dying to film. What are you? Oh.
shake it.
It's out. I've got another one.
Big snake ones that do that? When they like jumped out and turned into a huge...
Double time.
Shake it.
Move. I'm shaking with the by all means. Go, Ryan. Here's some kind of candy.
I want sprinklers. Roman candle.
Hey, Mommy, can I do this one? This doesn't do anything. What is it?
Go.
Mommy, can I do this one? It's just for a paint. But you gotta sit down and gotta hide.
No.
That fell over.
That fell over. Oh, okay.
It fell over.
Shoot anything?
Now it fell over.
This is a dog.
It fell over.
Bottle rock.
Move some of them old ones out of the way.
Hey, Mommy.
Quit pulling it towards me.
Okay, we're going to fix on
Hold it still.
Tyler.
Can you give me one out?
Parachute.
Ryan, quit.
Want to catch, you get $1.
What is it?
You get $1 if you catch one.
That's what?
Wait a minute, because that fountain's going off. Y'all watch that fountain.
You have to catch it. There's on.
It was still going down a little bit.
My bad.
Okay, before we light anymore, we gotta pick up these old ones.
Where's my dollar at?
No, we gotta pick them up, Ryan.
Stack them over there, both.
Bye, you gotta get on YouTube.
Make sure they hide it.
Reese.
What?
Here, almost got it. Tyler. Tyler.
Still doing it?
I found baby.
Hey, gotta get it.
Found baby bottle rocket.
I don't want to touch that one.
Can you like this?
Reese, can I film?
Is this a sparkler?
Here.
Yeah.
Brad, can I film while she's doing that?
I always film when I'm doing it.
Please, I want to do it.
You gotta hold it.
Can I please film?
Hold on, hold it still, okay?
I need a flashlight or a light for somebody.
I don't think so.
There you go. Watch out.
Can't see people. I'm gonna help you guys. Got a flashlight?